Hey cats, it's me again. Woo. What I plan on doing today is just kind of pulling out some red eyeshadows. I'll show you what I'm working with and we'll go through it together. But it'll just be a quick little video on what I would call a red on red on red on red on red on red on red eye look. So, enjoy. I decided ultimately to pull out some things I don't use as often because when I first did this look, and I did take a picture of it, but it's not flattering, I didn't necessarily like the hot pink that I put in the crease that faded down to a red. I wanted more of a strawberry, kind of like what you see right now. So these are the colors that I'm going to be working with. More so these two in the center and this guy. So really quick, this is Love Plus by Sugar Pill. This is, you know what my biggest pet peeve is? It's this red from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. This palette has no shade names, which drives me freaking crazy. And I think it's the only palette that doesn't have shade names. It's the red from the Zulu palette. And it's more of like a strawberry, like it's a pinky red for sure. Anyway, so these three shades are all from Inglot. And that's what I only have in my crease right now. Is I really have kind of gotten back into wanting to pull these guys out because this realistically is an investment. These are very big pans, but they're like $7 a piece. And whenever I see there's a sale, like I know Ricky's had like a huge blowout of Inglot shadows maybe this time last year, and boy howdy did I hop on some. I have another one of these that's full of metallic shades, and then I have some blushes, contours, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so this row right here, these three shades, these are the three shades that I have. You can see the more deeper color, that peachy, and then the pink is that deeper color, the peachy, and the pink right here. This I only used to kind of blend with this. What did I do? I rubbed something. This I only used to kind of blend in with these two are mixed together is what's in my crease right now. This I only used to kind of soften up and pull it back more towards the pinker, redder side of things and not get too orangey warm. But I also did wear like a peachy blush to kind of make sure that you can see the difference. So I'm gonna wash my hands because everything I touch will look like this, especially like my clothes, and I don't feel like doing that today. And I'm gonna zoom in and then we'll just keep going. So like I said, I started blending with these two shades. This is 311 and this is 382. Now I'm gonna start deepening up the crease with this shade, and then I'll start mixing that 382 with my Sugar Pill shade. Go even deeper. You'll see. I already forgot what number that was, but I'm taking that darker pink Inglot shade and I'm stamping the inner and outer corners. I love these Inglot shadows. They really don't have a lot of fallout. Now I'm going to take one of my crease fluffy brushes and start to dip a little bit into this. I like to make sure I open my eyes, so if I want to see the depth of color up here, I like to find my crease and really, make sure if I'm using a tapered brush, I want product to be up to here. So I usually roll my brush in the product, which helps get a good blend, and then I go back with circles. And when I swizzle in, any kind of kickback I get is going to go this way. If I swizzle out, that's when you'll start to see things this way. So always be mindful of where shit is on your brush. So what I'm going to use now because I now can't remember what I used. I'm assuming it's the concealer that I used in layering this. I don't know, kind of made everything all funky tonky. But I pulled out my Inglot gel liner. This motherfucker right here. She's a hot mess. And instead of dipping my brush in here over and over, I just took my spatula, it's why I have it in my hand, and I put some on the back of my hand. I'm just telling you that for GP, just, you know, whatever. And we're gonna see how this works this time around. That, thank you very much, is exactly what I was thinking of. Okay, before I open my eye, I'm going back in with that Zulu whatever shade. Yeah. See what I mean? How it's like popping red with a kind of red behind it? Yeah. That's exactly what we was talking about before. So I'm going to do the other eye and then we'll move on. Yeah. I feel like my head's going to explode if I try to pull my ponytail any tighter. So this is where I'm at so far. This is what I've come up with. So what I did was I have this bright orange mascara. Ooh. I did that on the lower lash line. I put some mascara. I debated on putting some lashes, but I really kind of just want to focus on like the boom shakalaka of it all. You know what I mean? The boom shakalaka. When I was pressing on the red lastly, I was getting a lot of speckly fallout, so I had to kind of go through and conceal, bake, and brighten again to make it look a lot better. So there you have it. What do you think? Please tell me what you think of this tumbler. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this red on smoked out red, exciting red look. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, yada 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 yada. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.